So do you know what this is? Hi everyone, welcome back. This week it's gonna be super easy. It doesn't require a lot of cooking, just a little bit boiling and very minimal prepping, which you know, you and I totally love because it's hassle-free. I was in China in Guangzhou city. I don't know if you guys been there before. That's where I'm from, and my cousin took me to this food court. One of the dishes my cousin ordered was lotus. Have you had it before? It looks like this. It looks funny. I mean, this is a small one. Normally it's even bigger, like longer, like 3-4 pieces together and triple the size of this. I like the smaller one because it's younger and it's not as chewy. I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy, light salad. So when I Google lotus, the benefits, there's a wide range of it. It says ability to improve digestion, reduce cholesterol, lower blood pressure, boost the immune system, prevent various forms of cancer. Cancer preventing food, that's really good. Balance your mood, you know, when you're feeling a little bit down. Relieve depression. Increase the blood circulation, maintain proper enzyme activity in the body. They all sound wonderful. This is so much better than taking a pill to solve problems, eh? Okay, so the ingredients for this is so simple. Lotus root, fresh sesame oil, soya sauce, sweet chili sauce, lemon, this is so good. Check this out. It's super crunchy, it's healthy. Chopsticks. Do you hear the crunch? See, I did not lie to you at all. Minimal prepping, right? And not really cooking. Why don't you give it a try and tell me how you like it. Until next week, I'll see you next time. Bye.